Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Fitment channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's talk about Mercedes wheel spacer safe for off-road. Let's go. The special design of this BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacer is the petal-shaped grooves on the back. As a professional spacer designer and manufacturer, BONOSS relies on years of experience and hard work to create the world's first FT cooling technique. This technique maintains the brakes at normal temperature to ensure wheel spacers' safety and driving security. While cold air flowing, the heat of the braking system is taken away, thereby achieving the effect of FT cooling, improving braking efficiency and reducing overheating of brakes. Installing wheel spacers is a cost-effective way to keep the wheels you have, while increasing your track width. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.